Hey guys, welcome to our channel Code Vision. Do you want to learn coding fast and land a job in just 6 months? It's 100% possible if you follow a structured plan. Let me show you how. Step 1. Choose the right programming language. Pick one beginner-friendly language like Python, JavaScript, or Java. These have high demand in the job market. Step 2. Learn the fundamentals in 1 month. Start with basic concepts, variables, loops, functions, and data structures. Use free platforms like W3 Schools, Free Code Camp, or Geeks for Geeks. Step 3. Build small projects in month 2. Create mini projects like a calculator, to-do list, or weather app. This improves your problem-solving skills. Step 4. Learn advanced topics in month 3. Move to advanced concepts like APIs, databases, and frameworks, React for web, Django for Python, Spring for Java. Step 5. Build a portfolio and GitHub profile, month 4 and 5. Work on 2 to 3 real projects and upload them to GitHub. Create a portfolio website showcasing your skills. Step 6. Start applying for jobs, month 6. Prepare for interviews, practice coding problems on LeetCode, and apply for entry-level jobs or internships. With dedication and smart learning, you can become job-ready in just 6 months. Start today and make your coding dream a reality. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content.